We were tasked with creating 2 ancillary texts to accompany our A2 music video production. These were a digipack and a magazine cover. To begin with our magazine cover, we did some initial research into some magazine covers from within and outside of the genre. These were David Bowie, or Bowie, however you'd like to say that, B.B. King and the Pet Shop Boys. For our magazine cover, we found that the conventions to follow were to have bright and bold fonts with large main images of the artist or artists, and to accompany that with some logos and small print of blurb. For our digipack album cover, we began with some pre-research sketches of a couple of ideas without really looking into anything, just showing some images of the artists' faces and the name of the band. For our digipack research, we looked into 3 different album covers from HMV's website. These were, I'll get my point and stick here, Kinda Blue, Miles Davis, Black Coffee, Joe Bonamassa, and Experience Hendrix, Jimi Hendrix. Here is an example of some of the digipack concepts we produced. These were inspired by the Gorillaz Demon Days digipack, and these were all original concepts. Finally, here is our finished digipack and magazine cover ancillary text. As you can see for the magazine cover, we've gone for images of the artists as the main thing that's visible to the audience, some logos and some small print blurb talking about the album. And for the digipack, you can see we have multiple images of the artists individually and a main image as our front cover. This also includes some bright fonts and bold texts which will draw in the audience. During our music video production, I was heavily involved as one of the main editors. This was an integral role in the development of our music video. One problem we faced during the editing process was that several of our clips were lost due to a system update on the computers. For this we had to find a solution and a way around that. We were able to use some other clips that we found, cut portions out of those and insert them into the places where we had lost some of the footage. Another issue that we faced was that several of our clips we found to be out of focus. To tackle this, we scheduled a reshoot, which was successful and beneficial to our production. Another thing we did to combat this issue was that we found other clips that we could use of various shots from around the establishment that we filmed in, and shots of the individual band members which we could post on top of the clips where the camera went out of focus.